Alright guys, welcome back to Cleves Tech. Today, talking about the new white A-RGB P12s from Arctic. I saw these popped up on Amazon a few weeks ago, so I grabbed them. It was about $44 or something for a 3-pack. They weren't sent to me by Arctic. We're not getting paid to do this. This is just all out of our own pocket. We're just talking about these cool new fans. So these are 120 mil fans. They come with daisy chainable 3-pin A-RGB as well as a 4-pin PWM connector. There's one right here. But basically, if you're running an ITX board or a micro ATX board and you're short on fan headers, these are great because you could just plug this one on the board and you could plug up to 4 more daisy chained as long as you're using the Arctic fans. And the same goes for the RGB. Let's say you only have one A-RGB header or something like that. You could just plug the one fan in and you could run as many as you can off of the daisy chain. I mean, not as many. You probably maxed out at 5, but they're cool little fans. We tested them, set it to about 50%. We were getting it at 1100 RPMs. With it at 100%, we were getting about 1800. The Amazon page stated 2000 RPM max. Like I said, HW Info 64 was showing us 18. We don't have a tachometer, but so it's within the general 10%, I guess. This is a just a black one, just black Arctic P12 we have. 4-pin, no RGB, but as far as I can tell, they're pretty much the same design. The back says 12 volts at 0.08 amps on this one, and 12 volts at 0.011 amps for this one. So these ones have a little higher amperage, it seems, but as far as RPMs go, they both max out at 1800 according to HW Info 64. The white ones, they've added these cool rubber grommets on each corner. Helps a little bit with vibrations. You'll probably get a little more silencing effect than the black ones because they don't have that rubber grommet, but it's not going to be that noticeable in most cases. They are compatible. They're compatible with most A-RGB controlling software. Talking MSI, Light Center, Asus, AuraSync, whatever it is that ASRock uses. We didn't try them with OpenRGB, but I assume they should probably work fine with that. Arctic is great for budget builds, in my opinion. You know, you're getting a solid name. Arctic is pretty good. I've heard on Reddit they get a little bit of a hum between 1000 and 1200 RPM, but I didn't notice anything when I was running it. You could buy a 5-pack of the black ones for about $30. Like I said, the 3-pack of the white A-RGBs were about $44, but they work pretty good. They look nice. Stay tuned. We're going to be doing a build with these probably pretty soon. We're going to be putting a couple of these in a 4000 D airflow from Corsair, probably with like a 12600K or something. Definitely going to be an interesting build. We'll have a link to that video once we've got that all set up. But stay tuned, guys. We have a lot of interesting content coming out here soon. Hit that subscribe button if you want to see us do something. Let us know in the comments. We're pretty open to any projects right now. So yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and keep tuning in.